Okay. Venison loin and jelly gravy. Okay. You kind of won't forget that. It's like the year 1989. I'll never forget that. September the 21st, Hurricane Hugo came by and destroyed McCullochville and Georgetown and some other areas. And a couple months later, we got 16 inches of snow 2 days before Christmas. And hunting season was running out, and I called my nephew, J.J. Strickland. I said, J.J., let's go hunt in the snow. He said, well, Uncle Bill, I don't have any arrows. Well, I'm 6'7", so he borrowed my uncut arrows. And as you'll see, the comment he made about breaking Uncle Bill's arrows kind of stuck with him, and his buddies picked at him for years. But I really think JJ got the best end of the deal on this, and he got the last laugh, because this is what he took that year, which was the biggest one on the club.
Good shot. Keep your eye. You see where it went? Right that way. You can see the blood all over the ground. What? You can see the blood all over the ground. You see the blood? Yeah. See right there. It broke your arrow, Bill. Huh? It broke your arrow. That was a good shot, JJ. Thank you, buddy. I think you broke your arrow. Good shot. That was about an 80-pound doe. Yeah, it's a nice sized deer. Did you see where it stopped? I didn't see where it stopped at, but it run that way there. All right, that was a good shot.
Yeah, Bobby and I shot some out here, and I brought my nephew JJ.
I appreciate it, Uncle Bill.
I taught him how to track many years ago, and I'll see how this goes. Well, there he is. Got him, JJ.
Yeah, we got some little doe this time, Bill.
Weighs how much you weigh? About that's 80 pounds?
Probably about 70, 80 pounds, yes, sir.
Yeah. That was real exciting and different.
Yes, sir, it sure was, and I appreciate it too, Uncle Bill, bringing me out here.
We got us a loin here. We're going to go ahead and prepare it. Gravy. Cut through, and then you want to go ahead and fillet out like you would a fish. Just go ahead and cut it on out like that. You got your skin, you got it gone. Most important part again is preparing your meat, getting it prepared like this, and leaving it in the cooler for about 5 to 7 days. We're going to put some Lorry seasoning salt. We're going to sprinkle some of that on there. I always love doing that. I'll put a little bit of that. You can marinate it for a couple of hours, or you can marinate it overnight. Go ahead and stick that in the bag here. Worcestershire sauce. We'll put a little bit of that in there. And a little soy sauce. Got a big jug here, but you don't want to put very little soy sauce, it'll give. I'm going to marinate this in. Today's going to be, since we're on a diet, we we're going to do it with this beer. We're going to let that marinate. This is a pear honey jelly that was homemade. We're going to use that. That's going to be our main ingredients today. Mashed potatoes along with it. Venison's been marinating for 8 hours. Lowry seasoning salt. We're going to put some more of that on there, just a little bit on that on one side. And a McCormick steak seasoning salt. We're going to add a little bit of that too. We're going to put it in the flour. Flour it up good. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to start cooking. What we did, the reason we'll put the flour on here and frying it is you want to seal that flavor. What we want to do is get sear this. We don't want to cook it long. All right, there we go. We're going to take these out now. We'll take them out, set them aside, and then we're going to make our gravy. This jam. Put that in there. Water. We're going to stir this thing up good. Thicken back up. Now we're going to stick our venison back in it. We're going to let it simmer. Got some onions. Stir-fried onions and mushrooms. Actually, we had left over from supper last night. So I'm going to stick them fellas on there. Put the lid on it. And this will be good for about 20 minutes on low. Okay, there it is. That's the done deal right there. I can't wait any longer. There's the mashed taters. Boy. Okay. Y'all got to try this. Another mushroom. Yeah, y'all definitely got to try that. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Let us know what you think. Until next time, we'll see you on Billy Bob's Going to Cooking.